Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today, I'm fixing a Midea microwave with a very specific problem. It heats for a few minutes and then completely shuts down. Many people assume it's a faulty thermal cutout, but the real cause is much simpler yet critical. Upon inspection, I found 220 volts power reaching the cooling fan motor, but the fan itself is dead. Without airflow to cool the magnetron, the temperature spikes, causing the thermal protector to trip and cut the power. In this video, I'll show you how to test the fan motor's continuity, identify the open circuit fault, and replace it with a new unit to ensure your microwave stays cool and runs continuously. Let's get it fixed.